Glam'Dollz. This is Monty with another video. This is part 2 of me with my blowed out Bantuknot. So I went to bed and this is the next day, and I just wanted to show y'all exactly how it looked when I did the Bantuknot. And I did it 2 different ways, so you're gonna see 2 different days of 2 different ways that I did it. So make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other videos of me doing the Bantuknots with the tutorial of how to do it. So just keep on watching, and I hope that y'all enjoy this video. Do your daily creamer if you might need cream or whatever. But yeah, so this is me. Okay, so guys, y'all saw me do my Bantuknot, and I had 6 Bantuknots. So now I went last night and I did more. I didn't do a video showing it because it's the same premise, but I wanted my curls to be more defined. Being that my hair is so much thicker, I had to make them into smaller portions so that I can get more defined curl. Like the Bantuknot, it did work, but with my density of hair, I had to get some smaller portions. I bought me some edge booster. I've been seeing all the girls on YouTube talking about that. Plus, this is my go-to. This is what I need. My frizz buster, as you see, it was like $10. I was like, I don't remember it being $10. It must have went up in price, but this is the Fantasia frizz booster. I will be using this on my hair. When I used to like blow out my hair and stuff like this, I used to put this on here. So today I should have more defined curls and everything like that. So I'm just gonna get to the video. I'm gonna put a little bit of so y'all see, it almost was a perfect Bantuknot. However, the one on this side that I'm twisting now, it didn't have no wave. So what I did to fix that, I put a little bit of organic root stimulator, moisturizing oil on it, and then I'm just going to do like a Bantuknot. So that is how I'm going to rock it today. But I also have a third look of how I did it, and I did more Bantuknots, and it actually came out like super perfect. I didn't show that on the video of me doing those Bantuknots, but you will see the finishing results of that and how I looked with the more Bantuknots. Hey guys, it's the next morning and I did a pineapple, but I had like 4 Bantuknots that were like kind of fuzzy. So what I did was, I think it was like 5 that was not feeling soft like this, because like my Bantuknot is like so soft, like the hair is so freaking soft right now. The ends are not dry or anything like that. So this is the next day after I had did more than 6. I think I did like about 16. So I made them way smaller. But as you see, my end is not fuzzy. It was fuzzy, like a couple of them were fuzzy. So like I said, I just put a couple of them in there and went to bed. And what I did was use some of this foam, organics foam, wrap foam, and that was it. I also made me a carrot oil, and I did like a stimulating massage. I have one more, and so all my ends are like silky straight, and you just keep twisting it in the opposite way. That's it. Fuzz. So this is the next day. As you see, I just did a couple of new ones because it was fuzzy, like I said in the video. As you see, I'm just twisting them the opposite way and unraveling them that way, and you see you don't get as much fuzziness doing it that way. And I'm just putting my finger in the middle and just like loosening it up like that. So that's just a tip that I will say to do to not mess up the curls. And as you see, I'm just pulling the curls out. Now I'm also using a comb to comb out my roots a little bit. You can use a pick as well, but I don't have a pick, so I'm just using my wide tooth comb and just separating the curls so that I can get a more fuller look. twisting the ends, and you see no fuzz. No fuzz on the end. So I think that this is a successful Bantuknot out, okay? I must say so myself. I think this is a successful Bantuknot out. Make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Go check out my TikTok videos, which is going to be True Beauty Glams. Everything is True Beauty Glams. Check out my website. I just made some Ayurvedic hair oil, herbal hair oil. It's infusing now, so I will be having that on my website soon. And until next time, love y'all, smooches. Always remember, keep God first.